Hello everyone. Imagine being able to hold on to a piece of your favorite musician's first concert ticket, or owning a one of a kind illustration by a renowned artist, or even having a piece of the moon in your possession. No. We are not talking about physically collecting these things, but rather their digital representations. This is the power of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. But what does it mean? Well, non-fungible more or less means that it's unique and can't be replaced with something else. For example, a Bitcoin is fungible. Trade one for another Bitcoin and you will have exactly the same thing. A one-of-a-kind trading card, however, is non-fungible. If you traded it for a different card, you would have something completely different. NFTs are digital assets that are unique, indivisible, and cannot be replaced or exchanged for something else. They are stored on blockchain technology, which is a decentralized digital ledger that provides a secure and transparent record of transactions. This means that NFTs can be bought, sold, and traded just like physical assets, but with the added benefits of being easily transferable, divisible, and globally accessible. One of the most notable aspects of NFTs is that they can represent anything digitally, from digital art to music to tweets. Yes, you heard it right, tweets. You know what? The co-founder of Twitter, Jack Dorsey, he sold the first ever tweet, which was posted by him at $2.9 million. Can you believe it? So, for artists and creators, NFTs provide a new way to monetize their work and control the distribution and use of their creations. Instead of having to go through middlemen like galleries or record labels, NFTs simply allow artists to directly sell their work to fans and collectors. This has opened up new revenue streams and has given artists more control over their work and its value. For collectors, NFTs offer a unique opportunity to own one-of-a-kind digital items that can increase in value over time. Because NFTs are stored on a decentralized ledger, they can never be duplicated or destroyed, making them a secure investment. Additionally, the scarcity of NFTs create a market for collectors to bid on and acquire these digital assets. This has resulted in some NFTs selling for millions of dollars, making NFTs a lucrative investment for those who are able to acquire them. NFTs are also having a profound impact on the gaming industry. Players can now own in-game items such as rare skins or weapons, which are so unique and have actual value. This has resulted in the creation of entire economies within games where players can buy, sell, and trade NFTs with each other. This has not only added a new layer of excitement to gaming, but has also created new revenue streams for game developers. Despite all the excitement surrounding NFTs, there are also some concerns about their impact on the art world and the environment. For one, NFTs rely on blockchain technology, which uses large amounts of energies and has a significant carbon footprint. Additionally, some also worry that NFTs will lead to commodification of art, where the value of a piece is determined solely by its market price rather than its artistic merit. I mean, my friend Rohit's art is probably equally great as that of Picasso, at least in my eyes. So, in conclusion, NFTs are changing the way we think about digital ownership and value. They have opened up new revenue streams for artists and creators, created new opportunities for collectors, and added a new dimension to the gaming industry. While there are concerns about their impact, it is undeniable that NFTs have the potential to shape the future of the digital world. Whether you are an artist, a collector, a gamer, NFTs offer a new way to engage with digital assets and create value. If you have liked this video, then do not forget to drop a like. To know more about finance and see more such informative videos, do subscribe to Spring Money.